Hi, I'm Dr. Walter Matwychuk, and today's intermittent reinforcement email message has to do with what I call the awkward moment. It's that moment in an interpersonal transaction when we face an uncomfortable decision. Do we say and do what we want, what we'd like, or do we retreat and go along? Sometimes, of course, going along is fine, but more often than not, there are moments when it would be better to tolerate the discomfort and take a calculated risk and say what you wish to say or do what you want to do. So in today's email, I talk about how REBT can help you be more self-directed and help you capitalize upon the awkward moment and to think in a way that enables you to capitalize upon the awkward moment and say and do what you want. REBT is a philosophy that can help you live shamelessly and guiltlessly and without anxiety. And I think the emotionally well-adjusted person has the ability to risk disapproval and say and do what they want when, of course, it's important to them to say and do what they want. And that the long-term benefits, of course, are there. I integrate this into this intermittent email message, a discussion of shame attacks. These are behavioral exercises that Albert Ellis pioneered many years ago and are aimed at helping you learn to live shamelessly. So I strongly encourage you to read the email message because I think it will help you learn to assert yourself when it's important to do so, even if it's awkward. So take good care. And I'd like to mention that on Saturdays, I hold a Zoom conversation hour where I do a demonstration of REBT and talk about how it could apply to a particular problem with a volunteer. So please feel free to join me at 9 a.m. Eastern. You can go to my website, rebtdoctor.com, for more details. Thank you.